Hello, everyone. This tutorial, how to change your age on Instagram, delves into the process of properly altering your age on the platform, whether you want to correct an error in entering your birth date or simply seeking a change in the style displayed on your profile. Understanding this procedure is essential. Through step-by-step instructions and tips, this tutorial will walk you through the necessary steps to update your age on Instagram. The first thing you need to do is to open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Then find the Instagram application. Check if the Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If you see update instead of open, click on it and update your Instagram. If it says open like mine, open Instagram. Next, click on the profile picture in the lower right corner of the screen. The next step is to click on the three lines in the upper right corner of the screen. From the menu, choose the first option, Settings and Privacy. Then click on the Account Center section at the top. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Personal Details option. Click on that. To change your age or birth date, click on Birthday. Then click on Edit here. Simply change the birth date as you wish. And when you're done, click on the Save button to save your change. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.